I'll guide you through how to install Firebase. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in firebase.google.com. On the home page, click on Go to Console at the top right. In the Firebase console, click the Create a Firebase Project button. Enter your project name and click Continue. Enable Gemini for AI assistance in building your app and click Continue. Disable or enable Google Analytics based on your preference, then click Continue. Select your Google Analytics account, then click Create Project. Once your project is created, click the Settings gear icon next to Project Overview and select Project Settings. Scroll down to the Your Apps section, then click the platform icon that matches your app. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your app with Firebase. If you selected a web app, Firebase will generate a configuration code specifically for your application. Copy this code into your web application source files where you want Firebase to initialize. Next, install the Firebase SDK by running npm install Firebase in your terminal. Finally, import and initialize Firebase in your app using the copied configuration code.